Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Today I'm doing a really cool holiday look. So I've teamed up with Shoppers Drug Mart for this. They have put together kind of 3 creative holiday makeup looks. These are their beauty boutique holiday beauty looks. This one is called Whisper of Color. And I've got actually kind of like a purpley reddish cat eye, and I've layered a little bit of glitter over top, but you can see it's really subtle. They have 2 other looks. One is called Jeweled Eyes, and it's got this really beautiful wash of kind of sapphire blue eyeshadow with a nice nude mouth. And the other one is a super classic holiday glam with a bright red lip. I feel like people always forget that you can get really great luxury brands at Shoppers Drug Mart. I feel like I could spend forever in there. It's kind of like Indigo. Like I could go in there and spend hours and hours just wandering around and like finding cool things and testing them out. It's kind of like a one-stop shop for a lot of your holiday shopping, particularly beauty stuff. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna put a few skincare products on first, and I'm using this Clinique holiday package from Shoppers. It comes with their clarifying toner in a large size and a travel size. Their liquid facial soap for oily skin, which is definitely what I need, in a regular size and a travel size, and the dramatically different moisturizing gel as well. So I'll start with the clarifying toner. Since I already washed my face in the shower, you just put it on a cotton round or a pad and wipe it all over your face. Next, I will use the dramatically different moisturizing gel. I've been sick the last few days, so I'm like kind of massaging my face a bit so that I can get the drainage going so that I don't look so puffy. Then I'm going to go in with the Clinique Even Better Glow. This is in CN40, Cream Chamoise. I'm just going to use my fingers. I only put it in the center of my face because my skin on the outside of my face is pretty good, and I like to leave any part of my face that doesn't really need foundation bare, just because then it looks more natural. Gotta do it around my nose. My nose has been super runny, so I've been blowing my nose a ton. Then I'm gonna go in with this Smashbox Holidaze Contour and Spotlight palette from Shoppers. It's got contour, highlight, bronzer, powder. I'm gonna use these 2, bronzer and contour. And I'm actually going to go in with this contour shade through my crease. I'm not going to use eyeshadow, but I am doing a cool kind of colorful liner. And it's always nice to have just a bit of a definition through the eye. I find contour and bronzer to be awesome for that. You can always put a little underneath as well. And then I'll go back to that for highlight. I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can do the liner together. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil in Alkaline. It's this really pretty kind of like berry color. It'll look good on all eye colors, but it'll especially look good on green and blue. So I'm just going to map out my flick first, and then connect. I actually like to smudge the outer edge with my finger just because I think it gives it like a little bit more of a sharp edge. Just make sure that the flick part is nice and filled in. And then I always have Q-tips pretty much whenever I do makeup, but especially when I'm doing a cat eye, just to make the edges super sharp. There we go. Now let's see if I can do the other eye remotely similar. Okay, that's pretty good, I have to say. This liner is really easy to use. It glides on really nicely. Then I'm going to go in with the LISE WATIER glitter liner for a little bit of festive glam sparkle. Now I'm going to use the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Want to get a super lashy look for this cat eye. Whoa, this makes my eyelashes so long. I don't like wearing false lashes, so I need a mascara that like really does its job. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this, and then on the bottom as well. Okay, while I wait for that mascara to kind of dry before I do the second coat, I'm gonna do my brows. I also really like you can see the liner and it looks really pretty, but it's not too like in your face. Like it's really chic. Really, really like it. I think it's such a cool idea for the holidays. I am gonna go in with Benefit Goof Proof and just fill in any little sparse hairs. And then on the other side, they have the spoolie brush, which is amazing. So you can brush through all your pencil strokes and make them look super natural. That's really important. I personally don't like a very drawn on brow. And then just like brush them up for a full brow effect. Then we'll do a quick second coat of mascara. Oh, look at those lashes. This mascara is awesome. Usually get like a little bit of mascara on my eyelid. Just take a Q-tip and get rid of that. You want a really sharp line with your cat eye. For blush, I'm going to use this Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Color Radiance Blush in Sweet Peach 02. Peach is my favorite color for blush. Just kind of on the high point of the apples of your cheeks and upwards onto your cheekbones, and of course a little bit over your nose. Then before I do lips, I'm going to go in with the highlighter from this Smashbox palette. I'm going to use this highlighter right here. And I like to go down the center of my nose too. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that highlighter and put it on my inner corner as well. Okay, now all we need is lips. So because you have quite a dramatic eye, I'm just going to go in with this Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick in Bellisima. It's a really pretty pink. And there we go. This is the finished holiday look with the really cool kind of colorful sparkly cat eye, but it's still really chic. Really, really like this look. I think it's so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of these products are available at Shoppers Drug Mart. They have some really awesome holiday sets as well, including the Clinique face set. Give this a thumbs up if you liked the look and the whole kind of creative cat eye, and I will see you next time.